So we're here for Cooking with Emily. I had like my eye closed. That was weird. We're here for Cooking with Emily Part 2. So first time. Somebody's pulling in next to me. No, they weren't. Okay, never mind. We're here for Part 2. The first time I screwed up major with the pie. We're not really going to talk about that. Like, I burnt it to an oblivion. And I tried to convince myself it tasted good, but it actually didn't. Because I barely even know how to count. Oh my gosh, I'm already making a mess. I hate myself. Look at my shirt. Yeah. So now this time I'm gonna be making cookies, and I have an actual recipe I'm gonna be following. I'm not gonna be going off on my own thing and not making crust and like skipping steps, which was the downfall last time. Now we're at the grocery store. I'm gonna go in and get a couple things, and then I'll be back in a minute. Are you actually recording now? Okay, so now we're in the kitchen, and it's kind of a different setting from last time because I just moved like a month ago, which is kind of fun, but it's not at the same time because it's like 20 minutes away from school now, and that means I have to wake up 20 minutes earlier, so that's not fun. Okay, so I preheated my oven, and now I have to mix brown sugar, white sugar, shortening, eggs. I didn't get eggs. I don't even know if we have them. And then with an electric mix. Why'd you move? We're supposed to use an electric mixer, but like I don't have one. I don't think we have one, at least, but because like we moved and stuff. I don't know where anything is, so I gotta get. Do not film me doing this. Yesterday's salad, chicken, pita, refrigerator tour. So like I've never really made M&M cookies at home. Like I've only had them for like store-bought and stuff. So this is kind of an adventure. I have a feeling like the color is gonna melt or something. I just spilled that. Are you kidding? You know what's not fun? Trying to find a freaking roommate. I just found out literally today that I'm going to MSU in the fall, and like I thought I was waitlisted. It's probably like a month, and it like panicked me because I was worried I wasn't gonna get it in, and I had to like go to SE4 or something. But I got in, thank God, yay. Editing out when I said yay. That was gross. So gross. Why would I say yay? I don't ever say. My head hurts. Okay, sugar. Okay, but finding a roommate. I have zero luck. All these people, like, there's a Facebook page you go on, and there's just a bunch of, like, super pretty girls, and you would tell they're freaking loaded. Their parents pay for freaking everything, and they're sitting there in their cool cars, their Jeep, their Rangs, and I just feel like so less of them, and it sucks, because I never can, like, have any luck trying to find somebody who's just like me. And then, like, people post on that page, they're like, oh, I'm just looking for a friend, not for a roommate, and it makes me so upset, and I can't stand it. I'm really complaining a lot, but that's okay. Okay, now shortening. I actually don't even know what shortening is.
Makes the cookie shorter.
Yeah. Oh my God. Ew, this looks like frosting. Why? Ew. Yep. Ooh. I just loved how it plopped in there. Yep. Vanilla. How much vanilla do I need? So my cooking experience has not like gained any knowledge. I have not cooked whatsoever, honestly. I don't care to because I have my father to do that, and he actually likes it. And every time anybody else cooks, he like throws a fit, and that's honest God the truth. 2 teaspoons. Oh, I gotta eat of these. Ooh! Okay, that was like 2. I have not even I didn't count. Now with an electric mixer. Yep, the non-existent one. Ew. This is awful. Should I mix it with my hands? Oh, I didn't put the eggs in. Okay, so my Aunt Nicole, she is a baker. Like, she went to like culinary school, whatever. She was a manager at a bakery. And she showed us, me and my brother, how to crack eggs. Do I want it? I'm gonna try it, whatever. YOLO. Woo! How am I supposed to crack this one?
Takes 2.
Yes. Oddly satisfying. Yeah, it's definitely way wetter than it was before. This is a quick ASMR break. Oddly satisfying. Did I make it Snapchat? My arm is starting to freaking hurt. And I'm sweating. Also, I'm wearing white. I don't know why I would do that to myself. Okay, so now I actually have like all this mix and it took me a good 10 minutes. So now I have to add like baking soda, flour, and salt and stuff. And then she said we can do this by hand, which I'm gonna do exactly that because I'm gonna follow the directions. It says in this wording, add 2.5 cups of flour, baking soda, and salt. I found this easy to do this by hand. You're gonna use cups? No. So Kim, whatever your name was, Kim something, who made this recipe, we're gonna follow your direction. 1/2 cup, and then do it by hand. I guess this works better. Oh my god. Oh, Kim, you're crazy. Oh my god, Kim. Now I need baking soda. Oh no. Oh. All right, that was like 1. Yep. Okay, Kim. I probably should be putting this in my hand. That was like 1/2 cup. At this point, I don't care. Just gonna teaspoon. Kim. So now I'm adding, I guess like 1 cup and 1/4 or something. I don't know. Should I put? No, I'll make a spoon.
How much is that? 1/2 cup?
It's only been oh my gosh.
Is that 1/2 cup?
Yeah, that's 1/2 cup.
Yeah, because that's a cup.
I'm not even trying to be stupid. I'm not even kidding.
You just are.
So. This is a cookie consistency. Like she's doing good. Okay, so now I have this. Cookies, blah blah, for plan. I don't know how many you should do. I'm just worried about the stupid baking soda. Can you taste baking?
Yes. Those are gonna be huge.
Yellow. Okay, so now my brother like made it look like friggin' peanut butter cookies, like you know, like you do the fork thing, because the chick said to push them down. I don't even know if we can trust her anymore, but we're popping them in. I don't know how long this is, like 8 minutes or something. Oh my gosh, this oven feels hot. Oh no. Oh! I am so gonna burn myself. I'm gonna burn myself. I'm going to burn myself. Okay. Okay, I just peeped in the oven and they look freaking huge. Oh my god. You pull gushers out of the bag and they're all connected. This is what they look like. It really smells like baking powder in here, but these like have finally cooled off. So I'm gonna try them. No. This ain't it. It really doesn't taste like anything. So yeah, guess I'm not that better of a cook anymore. And we will never find out if I get better anyway. Because this is my last video. Wow, it sucks. Senior year is so sad. I don't care. Okay. We're gonna go have my mom try this.
Tastes great.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but does it suck?
You should have got
I got that.